The bridge that ends midair, in the northern reaches of a forgotten valley, where fog clings to the mountains like breath on glass, there stands a bridge that defies reason. Its first half rises gracefully from the earth, ancient stone arches, weathered and sure, but midway across the ravine, it simply stops. The road ends cleanly, as if sliced by an invisible hand. Beyond that final edge hangs nothing, no ruin, no trace of collapse, no continuation buried in the mist. Just air and the long drop into silence below. Locals call it the bridge that ends midair. Travelers say it was once part of a grand trade route connecting two kingdoms that vanished from maps centuries ago. Yet no records mention its construction, no ruins lie on the opposite side. Some claim it was never finished, others whisper it once was. But its twin half faded, torn from this world like a memory dissolving in dawn. When engineers examined it, they found the break too precise to be decay. The final stones bear no fractures, only a perfect termination, as though the builders had planned for it to end there, a passage that leads halfway to nowhere. Those who walk it speak of strange sensations. At the midpoint, sound changes, footsteps dull, the air thickens, and a low hum fills the silence, as though the stones remember something the living do not. Birds avoid it, compasses spin. Photographs taken at the edge blur, as if the lens refuses to see what lies beyond. Some nights, faint lights shimmer across the gap, fleeting bridges of mist that appear for seconds, then vanish. One legend says the rest of the bridge still exists, but not in our world. It leads somewhere you can only reach if you take one more step past the impossible edge. There's an old account from a stonemason who studied its design in the 1800s. He noted that the bridge's curvature doesn't align with earthly gravity. Its arches subtly lift, as though they were meant to rise into the air itself. He concluded that whoever built it understood forces we no longer remember. His final entry reads, "It does not end. We do." To this day, the bridge stands unchanged. Moss creeps along its surface, and wind whistles through its hollows. But it neither erodes nor collapses. It simply waits. A promise unfinished, a road between worlds. And sometimes when the valley fills with fog thick as breath, travelers swear they hear the echo of footsteps continuing across empty air.